Hey everyone, welcome to Gym United official YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you about WordPress Table Manager and show you how to create them directly from your database using the powerful Gym United WP Table Manager plugin. Before we jump in the video, let's talk about why WP Table Manager is a great choice. This plugin goes beyond basic table creation. It allows you to build responsive tables that look fantastic on any device. Import data from Excel or even Office 365 for seamless integration. Edit your tables directly within the WordPress interface, no coding required. And so much more. Alright, so once you've activated the Table Manager plugin on your WordPress site, head over to the main plugin display. And if you haven't installed Table Manager yet, just click on the link below in the description. I've covered the installation process and the plugin's basic functions so you'll grasp it in no time. In the plugin display, simply click the Create New button to start a new table. You can create a table from various data sources. You can either input your own data to create a brand new one or use existing data from your database. To do the latter, just click on the Database Table option. From there, you can select which database to create a table from. These databases are the ones available in my WordPress setup. Once you've chosen the database, the next step is to select which data from those tables you want to use as columns for your new table. Below, you'll find options to customize your table further. You can define relations between tables, set data display conditions, or add rules. You can also define the order in which the data table displays and how many rows you want it to contain. Once you're done with this customization and ready to create your table, just hit the Next Step button. Let's dive into the table creation wizard. Here, you have the option to enable Allow Editing to make cells editable on your database table. And if you want to lock columns, simply click the toggle button to activate this feature. Next, let's explore some advanced options when creating a table from the database. You can customize queries for the database using basic functions such as select, replace, rename, show, explain, and describe. If you're already familiar with queries, this step should be a breeze. Finally, you can preview the table and then create it for the first time, or if you've been here before, you can go straight to table editing. Even after your database table is generated, you'll still have access to the database. Just head to the menu, select Table, then Data Source to update the table as needed. Hey, let's talk about taking your database tables to the next level. So, creating a table is just the beginning. There's so much more you can do to make it really shine. First up, let's talk aesthetics. Adding alternate colors is a simple yet effective way to make your table more visually appealing. And why stop there? You can also tweak the font type, size, and style to match your website's vibe perfectly. Once your table looks just right, it's time to integrate it into your web content using Elementor. Simply create or edit a page with Elementor, search for WP Table Manager in the widget search bar, and insert your table created with WordPress database. Voila! Now you can use your table in various content sections however you like. But here's the kicker, not only can you use it on your website, but you can also export the whole table into an Excel format. How convenient is that? Whether you need it for later reference or to present in a meeting, you've got all your data right at your fingertips. Talk about efficiency. There you have it. With WP Table Manager, creating beautiful and functional WordPress tables from your database is a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about WP Table Manager or creating database tables, leave a comment below.